Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to unveil the latest update to our PeerGiving feature, version 1.1. This update focuses on empowering managers with greater control and streamlining the recipient checkout experience. Let's dive right in. In this admin update, we recognize the importance of efficient PeerGiving network management. Version 1.1 introduces a new feature that allows you to see the size of each point receiver's network directly on their profile. This information is displayed as a number in brackets next to the profile. We also added a few sorting features that will allow you to toggle profiles by points remaining and points consumed columns when needed. Want to make bulk adjustments? Simply select multiple point recipients and an action you'd like to perform. You can bulk edit points. Send out invitations to join peer recognition networks to multiple recipients at once. Enable or disable PeerGiving networks for selected users. And add or remove profiles from selected users' networks. We've also introduced a feature that establishes a default all-point recipients network group. Whenever a new member joins a team and accepts the invitation to join the peer recognition program, our system will automatically add them to the all points recipients group. This way, you will save time and effort manually creating the all-team network group and adding new members each time a new hire joins your company. Now let's focus on the recipient experience during checkout. A streamlined checkout is key, and PeerGiving 1.1 has brought significant enhancements. Now, the checkout page clearly shows how many points will be used for each item, fully or partially, removing any uncertainty. Should your selected rewards surpass your points total, the checkout interface will automatically show the extra cost needed to finalize your purchase. This clears up any confusion regarding additional payments. These PeerGiving updates are designed to improve both management oversight and the recognition process for everyone. Our internal testers have been very impressed with the update, and we believe you will be too. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. As always, thank you for your continued support.